Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Jobs in London, UK, from Facebook page and YouTube page and londonclassified.org. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to get job in London and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I am showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job administrator required in London. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Administrator required in London. Position title Education Administrator. Position type contract 11 to 12 months. Maternity cover 22.5 hours per week, 3 days or equivalent across the week. Location Clapham, London, home working. Salary and benefits 21,200 FAT. Additional benefits include 10% non-contributory pension, pro rata equivalent to full-time allowance of 36 days holiday including bank holidays and 3 further days between Christmas and New Year. Flexible annual leave available. Flexible working hours policy with company core office hours. Role description: responsible for coordinating the charity financial education workshop, managing relationship with relevant stakeholders and partners, including but not limited to our team of workshop consultant, teachers, volunteer and clients. Booking and coordinating workshop, which will include liaising with schools, youth organization, consultant and volunteers on requirements. Managing database and compiling ML and evaluation information and reports as necessary. The potential opportunity to deliver engaging and interactive workshop to young people in school, colleges, universities and other community settings dependent on experience. Updating and designing workshop content and resources. Promoting and marketing workshops, teacher resources, pack and the student money manual to school and other relevant organizations. Assisting with consultancy work, working towards the charity strategies aims. Representing the money charity at event and meeting as necessary. Staying informed of new research and policy in the area of financial education and highlighting key development to other staff member when relevant. Taking responsibility for other relevant piece of work as appropriate. Participating in the corporate life of the money charity, taking initiative to help the charity expand and develop this area of work. Applicant requirements: essential, excellent interpersonal communication and relationship management skills, ability to work with MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint, excellent organizational skills, able to manage their own workload effectively and work under pressure, able to self-motivated and take initiative to deliver tasks, a flexible approach to work, able to respond additional requirements which may require, ability to work with a team, a positive and credible attitude to money financial capability, a willingness to learn and develop in the role, a willingness to travel when necessary. Desirable: experience in working with young people, students in similar way, a good understanding of issue relating to finance, money management, good presentational skills, an ability to present in a confident and creative manner, passionate about the cause, keen to work with people and empower them to be financially capable. Application details: to apply for the role, please email a CV and covering letter no more than 2 A4 size explaining how you are suitable for this role. This should include how you meet the essential and desirable requirements and why you want the role. So guys, these are the details and requirements for the job. So education administrator required. So friends, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV to this email address. So guys, you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, salary and other benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. An approx salary also mention in the details salary and benefits, so you can see that. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can directly apply and send your updated CV to this email address. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So guys, in this website, daily basis job update and many other categories job available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page, so you can easily visit, and also new jobs links available in the description, so you can directly apply for the job and you can easily apply. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.